Hi everyone, welcome to Discovery Natural. Today I am coming to you to talk about black seed oil. If you've never ever heard about black seed oil, let me know. And if you've heard about black seed oil and you use black seed oil, comment down below and also let me know how you use it in your hair, how you use it in your skin, how you use it anywhere in your body. So if you are new to our channel, please feel free to click that subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell so that you can get valuable information about your health, about your hair, and about taking care of your general body. Black seed oil is also known as black cumin oil, even though some people say it's really not, but there's so many names for black seed oil that you can find them anywhere. Black seed is actually an oil that is derived from the plant called Nigella sativa. This oil is very common in Asian country, and it even goes way back into the times of King Tut from ancient Egypt. But the main place that you want to look for is you want to make sure that the oil that you get is organic. You want to make sure that the oil that you get is pure, and you also want to make sure that the oil that you get is from the right source. I personally get my oil from this company, and this is the Naked Nutrient. This is the oil, and I've actually nearly finished a bottle of it, so I could have 2 bottles. So this oil really comes in a well packaged box right here. It has, I'll show you guys what it looks like. This is the new one that I got because this is almost gone, and it comes packaged like this. And when you open it up, one thing I like about this packaging is that it has this stopper where it doesn't allow it to spill. So once you open it up again, it has another wrapping to protect it. So number one, black seed oil is known as an anti-inflammatory kind of treatment like oil. It also is good for things such as candida, if you have candida, also if you have eczema, if you have cirrhosis, you know, your skin and even your scalp, and also if you have cancer. It has been known to help in cancer and healing cancer. One other thing it has been known to help is, you know, all those issues like arthritis, pains in your joints. This oil has been known to aid in that. Some things that you might not know, and I think a lot of people know about this, but you might not know about it, is that this oil has been known to be a miracle oil. It's known to be one of those oils that anywhere, you know, if you're sick, you know, if something is wrong with you, take this oil, you'll feel better. And I tell you, the number one thing that I noticed about this is that the pains that I used to get in my leg, I no longer get it. Especially when I wake up in the morning, I always get these pains in my joints. I don't get it anymore. I find that when I wake up in the morning, I have a lot of energy, and I know that this has really helped me a lot. Different ways you can use it. I'm going to give you 5 ways that I have been using this oil. The first way is I've been ingesting it. Yes, so this is an oil that you can both take internally and you can use externally. So internally, I've been taking 5 ml, a teaspoon of this oil when I wake up in the morning. So on an empty stomach, take 5 ml, a teaspoon of this when you wake up. Then at night before you go to bed, you also want to take 5 ml, 1 teaspoon, which is 1 teaspoon of this when you go to bed. Second way is I've added it to my hair oil, and I use it to massage my scalp and also use it on my edges, and this has been known to really help strengthen the hair. It has also been known to promote shine in the hair, so feel free to add it to your hair oil and use it when you're moisturizing your hair. So the third way that I've also been using this is on my skin. What I've been doing is I've been adding it into my hair, my body lotion, and which is just shea butter. That's what I use. So I add it into my body lotion. I also add it into my children's body lotion because this is safe for children. And my daughter has eczema, so what we've been doing is that we've been putting a dab of it wherever we see an eczema flare out, and I feel that it has really improved the state of our face and everything. So the next way that you can also use it is you can use it as a hot oil treatment. So what you want to do is you want to take 1 part of black seed oil and take about 3 parts of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, warm it up. You know, you want to take the oil, but get a bowl of hot water, sit it in the oil, make it warm, and then put it in your scalp. Cover your hair with a plastic cap, and then wait about 30 minutes, then shampoo your hair. And you can also use it overnight as a pre-poo too. So the last way that I've been using it is adding it in my smoothie. So you can just add it before, if you want to drink, if you cannot take it orally, and if you cannot take it with honey. Honey helps with taking it also in the morning, but if you cannot take it like that, you can add it in your smoothie. So I just put it in the smoothie and drink it that way, and it goes down and it does whatever it wants to do. One thing about this company that I like, and that is why I like getting it from Naked Nutrient, is that they also have this card, and this card gives you information, like you can download about 110 ways to benefit from using black seed oil. So I just want to let you know that if you want to try this out, go online, look at the link in the description area. I have a link to where I find this one, you know, and this one and everything, and you guys can try it out and let me know how you like it. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to click the subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.